Hi there, it's Courtney. Welcome to my brand new villa. I'm so proud of it, but I'm also a first-time homeowner. And when I got started, I thought, you know what? I want this house cleaned, and I want it cleaned professionally. So I called The Healthy Home. They are out today with the team, professionally here, cleaning top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Every part of my house is going to be clean. When we're coming, when guests are coming in, I can't wait because it's going to be immaculate. Should we see what they're up to? I've worked with them in the past. They've cleaned my mattresses, my air ducts, and even my sofa. I really like that they use eco-friendly products because I have a pet in the home and I want to keep her safe. It's a peace of mind that I know they are getting to places and cleaning things professionally that there's no way I could get to on my own. It's not just about ensuring that the house is clean now, it's about knowing that in the future that I'm living in a healthy home. It's not just about the visible surfaces, it's also about the hidden corners. So now you know the many reasons why I call The Healthy Home. Pet-friendly, eco-friendly products, deep cleaning, I could go on, and I can't wait to call them back in just a few months to make my house sparkle once again.